Hello. I show you another way to trim with sharp edges. Okay, I go to Nomad Sculpt. I'm adding a sphere. I validate it. And I remesh it, for example, 200. Yeah, okay, we make 260. Okay, remesh. Okay, and we go to the trim tool. Here are the settings of the trim tool: hole smoothing, nothing, fill holes, and okay. And I use the polygon tool. Symmetry is on, okay. Okay. This is what happens. Okay. Autographic is on. Okay, the other way is we add a plane. And we rotate this plane 90 degrees and we place it in the back of the object we want to trim. Then we can validate it. Okay. In the front view, we are selecting the plane, and I subdivide it sometimes. Okay, I change the view to the back. Oh, what's up? Okay. And here we can change the additive of this that we can look through it. Okay, and now we can go to the selection mask, make polygon, and we are starting to add our polygon. And we wanna do rough edges. I switch the points to sharp lines. Okay, symmetry is on, and with a green dot I apply this mask. Okay, go to the side view, pick the mask, invert it, and use the gizmo tool to bring it through the sphere. Okay. The resolution of the ball, I think 260. Okay. We go to the scene menu, select both, and make okay, sorry, we have to make it, you can make it later opaque or okay, then we select the both objects and hide this, and we are changing the resolution to 260 and voxel merge this. Okay. And the edges are sharp. There are no such it's a better trim. It takes a few seconds longer, but it's a nice trim with no such things like this. Okay. Hope you can need it. Okay, ciao.